In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Input Tools to Chrome. Google Input Tools lets you type in dozens of languages using methods that feel natural to you, like transliteration, on-screen keyboards, or handwriting. It's perfect for writing emails, filling out forms, or chatting in languages that aren't covered by your physical keyboard. First, open the Chrome Web Store. You can get there by typing Chrome Web Store into your address bar and pressing Enter, then opening the official store link. In the store's search box, type Google Input Tools. Look for the official extension published by Google. Click it to open the details page so you can confirm you've got the right one. Next, press Add to Chrome. A confirmation pop-up appears to explain what the extension can do. Click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it automatically. Give it a moment. When it's finished, you'll see a short notification and the extension will be available in your toolbar menu. After installation, click the extensions icon at the top right of Chrome. It looks like a small puzzle piece. Find Google Input Tools in the list and click the pin icon so it stays visible next to your address bar. Pinning makes switching languages much faster later on. Now click the Google Input Tools icon and choose extension options. You'll see two columns, available languages on the left and active languages on the right. Double-click the languages you want to use to move them into the active list. That tells Chrome which input tools to load. You can add more than one language, and you can remove a language later by moving it back to the left. You're ready to type. Open any web page with a text box, an email, a search field, or a comment form. Click the Google Input Tools icon. Pick the language or input method you want and start typing. With transliteration, you type phonetically in Latin letters and the tool converts it to the target script. With the virtual keyboard, you click keys on screen that match the language layout. Handwriting lets you draw characters if your device supports it. Anytime you need to switch, click the extension icon again and choose a different language or tool. If the text box doesn't respond right away, click inside the field once to focus it or refresh the page. That's it. Your browser is now set up to type comfortably across languages.